Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at how NORA stores and manages workflow files. You'll see how workflows are saved as plain text, how automatic backups work, and how shared workflow folders make it easy to organize and collaborate on automation projects. If there is a feature you want to see covered in more depth, leave a comment and we will get to it. The download link for NORA is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Workflows in NORA are saved as plain JavaScript files. The saved file has two exports: workflow blocks and workflow connections. Both are plain JSON arrays. You can open the file in any editor, read it, modify it manually, and load it back. No binary format, no proprietary encoding. Every save creates up to 3 backup files next to the config: backup 1, backup 2, backup 3. The newest save pushes the oldest out. Before overwriting the file, NORA shows a confirmation dialog with the file path, so you know exactly what is about to change. In Settings, you can register any folder as a workflow folder. NORA scans it on startup and makes every config it finds available in the workflow browser. This works with local folders, network drives, cloud-synced folders like Google Drive or Dropbox, and Git repositories. If your team keeps workflows in a shared folder, every member who registers that folder has access to the same configs. Adding a new workflow file to the folder makes it available to everyone without any additional setup or import steps. You can verify this instantly by opening the Browse Configs modal, which lists every workflow NORA has found across all registered folders. The workflows from the custom folder we just added appears there immediately, ready to load.